15 puntos na yan para kay Jordan.
Talagang binanggalang ni Rondo si ano eh. Araw-araw yung nagkakaroon. Yan o. Boom! Talagang binanggalang niya eh.
May pinagmanahan naman, di ba? Si
Ay, oo.
But I don't think we even need that percentage. All we need to know is that it's a rematch.
Si Galit.
Trollano gustong ipagpag si Oftana but Calvin stays with him.
Oh, great defense by BGR. They're able to get around Junmar Fajardo and get a hand on that basketball.
Ang dami rin kasing bigs na kayang paikutin itong TNT.
Oh, ito, speaking of what, ito si really getting to be aggressive. Makikita natin dito muna itong si yung pinapanood natin itong wrestling match ni Junmar at saka ni BGR. They're playing the angle again. Gets in front, gets a tap.
BGR has been one of the biggest facts here in the fourth. Pero loose ball foul yun na itatawag kay Fajardo.
Kita mo si Junmar. Tinutulungan na niya tumayo itong si BGR eh. Di-refuse ni BGR.
Look at this. That's a foul on Fajardo. Panglima na ni Junmar.
Hindi pinansin, ni BGR.